other party has paid is either more or equal to the interest I have paid, I will be getting a full refund. If the interest that has been paid by other party is lesser, then even if I have paid more, I will not be getting the interest refund to that effect or interest adjustment to that effect. So that is what important is. The return, the time limit within which rectification can be done is a September of the next financial year. That is when for the next financial year you are filing the return, that particular date. So for next financial year September, perhaps you are filing the return on 28th of October. So that is the first date. Or annual return for the concerned financial year to which rectification pertains. So in that particular case, the annual return date is December. So 31st of December is perhaps, I think 25th of December is the date, 25th. So at that point of time you need to consider that particular thing. Section 26 is the same, I am not repeating it. It's an auto-populated thing. From outward supply things will be auto-populated. Then additions, deletions would be made, and then on the basis of the inward supply would be filed. Rectification, again you have to pay the interest and you have to pay the tax liability. Subsequently the adjustment would be required. The time limit is again the same as that in the case of outward supplies. Then section 27, return. Now most important aspect, as I said, is unless and until you pay the entire amount, the return would not be considered as a valid return at that. So when you are filing the return, it is mandatory for you to discharge all your tax liabilities. Without paying the payment, the liabilities for that particular return cannot be filed. If you don't file the return for the earlier period, the subsequent return would not be allowed to be filed. So even for the nil period, it is mandatory for you to file a nil return. Then errors would be required to be rectified, ideally in the month in which those errors are taken. But again, for rectification, a period is given. That particular period would be applicable, whatever period we just see. Then this is the most important. No rectification in return is permitted if there is a change in the liability due to scrutiny, audit, inspection, or enforcement activity by the tax authorities. So if for some reason there is a demand arising out of the or demands made by the authorities, then perhaps in the return somewhere some provision has been made to show that demand separately. The credit of that particular amount may not be given to the other party. So that is most important. So that rectification is not applicable tomorrow if the people come and you need to make the payment. At that point of time, this particular return cannot be revised to that particular extent. So you may not be able to pass on the credits to other party to the extent the amount is already recovered from you, even if it is an admitted liability.
So that means the supplier shows the tax, does
yes.
not file the return in that. I show it and take credit, I will not be given credit.
Yes.
It's a meanwhile if the search happens and then he cannot rectify.
See, basically what it means is that the department comes to you and you come to know that in respect of these 4 transactions from these other people, I was supposed to